Kung titingnan po natin yung nakagawiang school calendar natin, magkakaroon with that, ang breaks po is during the summer. Based on our experience, nakita natin on the past experience na nagkaroon ng adjustment sa school calendar kung saan medyo during around April or March, April, even until May, meron pang pasok, nagkakaroon ng kanselasyon ng klase dahil sa sobrang init or sa heat index. Now, ngayon, ibabalik natin yan ngayong binabalik siya sa old school calendar. Ang challenge naman po doon is yung rainy season na magkakaroon ng we are anticipating, no? Nag-anticipate yung ibang mga eskwelahan at local government units na magkakaroon ng suspension based on weather disturbances. From us in PBED, stability and consistency in terms of the start of and the end of school year matters. Kasi yun din po yung tinitingnan ng ating mga parents, ng ating mga learners. But then in terms of yung sa mga interruptions na katulad ng kapag naulan, nabagyo, pumaha, or sa sobrang init, maganda rin po yung sinabi ng kalihim ng ating DepEd na ito po ay ang desisyon to cancel classes is actually on the local governments. So maganda po yun because we empower our local government units to make decisions based on the situation of their locality. Kami sa PBED, we welcome this statement by the Secretary of the Department of Education because with that approach, nakikita natin na you empower the local governments to make decisions, let's say for example on class suspensions, because a blanket or a one-size-fits-all policy on class suspensions may not work. So let's say for example, kahit si Pag-asa po ay nag-declare ng signal, may storm signal na, pero in some localities, even though they are under a storm signal, ay hindi naman po umuulan o hindi naman po bumabaha. So parang dehado po yung mga learners kung sususpende ka ng klase kasi the number of times that you suspend classes is number of hours lost din po yan, learning hours lost on our learners. So maganda po yun na very contextualized, very localized yung decision making just on the suspension of classes. That's a very welcome move from our end sa PBED and we hope that it's a good start to also empower ang ating mga local government units to make localized decisions on education. So what I've said, it would be decentralization of education.